Hello, in this video we will talk about Spid, the public digital identity system that allows access to all online services of the public administration and private individuals with whom it collaborates. You can get it with different operators. In Emilia-Romagna, the municipalities collaborate with Lepida, the service provided by the region, free for everyone. To obtain your Spid identity, simply connect it to the Poggio Torriano website, preferably with the Firefox browser by entering comune.poggiotorriano.rn.it in the search field. Then click on Online Services and look for the heading How to Access Digital Services via Authentication and click on the Spid item. Carefully read the communication containing information about the service, and once you reach the bottom of the page, click on the link that will direct you to the official Lepida page. Make sure you have an email, your phone, an identity document, and your health insurance card available. Now click on Sign in and enter your email address and password, paying attention to the requirements. Read carefully and accept the information and condition of use, and finally pass the CAPTCHA test. Now enter the required personal details, paying attention to any errors and filling all the required fields marked with a red asterisk. Enter the data of a document and the course of validity. Upload a copy of the front and back of the chosen document and also of the health insurance card. Once the data has been filled in and the documents have been uploaded, verify your email address and your phone number by requesting the verification codes and entering them in the appropriate spaces, and the system will confirm the verification. Once you have finished choosing the recognition method, the most frequent are recognition with an electronic identity card and recognition in person at a counter. In the case of recognition with an electronic identity card having the CID application, enter the PIN associated with the card. If instead you choose to do the recognition in person, choose the most convenient counter for you and go to the office, checking the opening hours and access methods. In the case of the municipality of Poggio Torriano, it is necessary to make an appointment by calling 05416299701 or write an email to l.cipolletti@comune.poggiotorriano.rn.it, and remember to bring the uploaded document and health insurance card with you. In addition to the methods described, recognition with a digital signature is also available, and there are other recognitions with, for example, audio-video, remotely with an operator, or with a smart card, but currently not available in the municipality of Poggio Torriano. Once you have obtained your Spid identity, you will be able to access all the online services of all public administrations.